Government Girls Higher Secondary School Juwai haga khat santarik depan hak perda go ye lekmen dap san paus nem ilai luti go wo cekri hai tip istat haga imlang salang we ye gani ke lekmen dawan wo pen hak perda de ki arngut ki menteri sarkar wa kentum ya ula kemen rembui u menteri ke chnat pure puthi wa wailat miki shella menteri icha ikhia kamju ke chnat sports and youth affair de emlang le hagani gesingi u director of school education and literacy Meghalaya u bante lang jekhar chandi ka dr w sumer principal coordinator golden jubilee celebration core committee ka woman le ka district school education officer Juwai West Jainte Hills najrong ki wasikai ki khna skorwa kiwi u wailan ki shalla hawa kalam ongu hakam kani gesingi le kamen to u ikhublai ye tip istat wadiyo wei wo ikhublai haro ye waro ki wa embenta u yarap ye kani gachlem isikai daklam imensin haro uya ki khanna kani ka skor de wong hanla i le kamani ha kani ka skor ka waman ka thau pure kerpang duni benta ki kan thai m1 ki thau ha kari india ki wom emukumen hawa kha ye ikon kan thai tangwa hawa khar un jaga jala Meghalaya yong i1 ye pher ko na ki wi ki thau yong kari nei baha awi i1 singaw yo kor khu baha i hawa yo ye ikon kan thai nei te daw kun tu wo chim ka bu ye kani kalat na jorong wa ha ka jukat ni mmd i1 wa ki kan thai mye ki dei we nong munaw ye ka kan thai ka wakso ye kerdan wa khali do kari india kan ni ka Draupadi Murmu kamte yulti haro wa kini ki khana skor ka government girls high secondary school Juwai umi ki chakhamat haki benta wo pher ka imlang salang we woman muna ye kiwi khamtam ki to ki khana kan thai wa emi angnut hei pure puthi wei ong le kam ki waya khamat kat wandap ki de kemen hawa yo ye ku ki thau pure sarkar wei le bahagi he pure puthi ula kemen remboi wan hawa kalam ongu ne to ka singi sa kan mo ya ka sarkar jala nei baha wa ka wi na ka chlem asikai he pure puthi yo pen man toy ye ki khana kan thai da poy ka chomo mer le kemen dam san paus nem wei kam wa ka moto yong ka skor ongo Think ak flourish kentu ye ki khana skor open em kam gi ni ikentin yo ye ki uchim garai wa biang we yo jom we yo ye le ye te ong em kam ye ki be ki pa hayung ki wasika he skor ubut ki ye ni khanang yo ye utar chan tang wa i em kam do to em haki hi rai kut kam man ujom
doing so well. Many people during the time of admission, many parents used to call me for admission in this institute. There is no other proud moment for us than that. That shows that the people of this region have trust and faith in this institution. So for this, I would like to congratulate the principal, the teachers, the non-teaching staff, everyone for your dedication and your hard work. Let's continue together, and I'm fully confident under the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, our hard-working Education Minister, we will work together to see that this institute grew day by day. Even today, sir, I would like to take this opportunity as the memorandum already submitted to you, and I'm fully confident as the minister from this region, it's your endeavor also to see this institution grow more and more. So I'll request you humbly that if possible to sanction for this auditorium hall, because this is very important in today's time, especially after the NEP of 2020. It's very important to have an auditorium hall because we need to have program activities from time to time. So that's why I request you once again to find a way and means to sanction as soon as possible for this auditorium hall.
In last 7.5 years, has very lived to its determination, to its goal that education is the top priority. And I'm very happy that the government are able to give the best facilities to its own school. The government this year able to upgrade all the secondary school to higher secondary school. And more importantly, when we talk about school, it is not only the building, it is the quality of the teachers and also the enrollment of the student. That is very, very important. It is very easy for the government to invest in building. But investing in building is not a question of investing in building. It is because we keep the interest of the student as a priority. So my dear student, the government have put education as a topper and we are working with it. To give the student across the state the forum, the platform to pursue their interest, to harness their skills so that human being, more importantly, the assets to our state.